In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to transfer domain from one GoDaddy account to another one. So first of all, you need to log into your account, then you need to click your profile name on the top right and go to My Products page. You need to scroll a little bit down, and here in the domain section, you need to find your domain name you want to transfer. For example, let's choose this one. I have got only one domain, so let's go to the DNS section right here. On the left menu, we need to go to transfers. Here are two options: transfer to GoDaddy, move domains to GoDaddy from another register, or another option, transfer between accounts. So move domains to another GoDaddy account. So we need to choose the second option, which is transfer between accounts. Here will be the list of your domains. You can choose one or multiply domains, guys. At the moment, I have got only one, so I'll try to transfer only one domain. So let's click continue button right here, and you need to fill these gaps. You need to enter the recipient's email address. So another GoDaddy account's email address. You need to re-enter recipient's email address in the second gap, and you need to write the recipient's customer number, but this is optional. You can leave it empty. And here, do you want to copy the current domain contact information to the new account, guys? So you can choose yes or no, and then click the send transfer request. So this will send the request to a recipient's email address, and if he confirms that your domain will be transferred to his account. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.